Hello everyone, here are my top 3 tips for your Databricks Spark certification exam. Number 3, you should definitely solve the Databricks practice paper that has been provided on the Databricks website. Solve this paper not only once but at least twice or thrice. Number 2, you should practice the data frame API related questions and solve them at your own. Number 1, the most important, there are lots of methods and classes. You may not remember all of them during the exam, and there might be scenarios or there might be questions which are related to a method which you are not aware of. That's why Databricks provides a test aid in the exam, which has all these methods and what kind of parameters are passed and everything. So make use of this test aid and try using this test aid while solving the mock paper. In the exam, you cannot do a search of any method by doing a control F in this test aid. So when you are solving your mock papers, try making yourself acquainted with the test aid, scrolling through what is where and everything. So in rare cases, if you get any questions which you are not aware of the methods, then this will really help you.